Dear soul, sometimes life communicates with us in ways that the world cannot perceive. In those moments, when everything around us seems ordinary, something extraordinary stirs within. Today, the angels bring forth a powerful message, one that resonates from the deepest corners of someone's heart directly to you. You see, there is a soul out there, a soul that recognized yours immediately. Long before words were exchanged, before eyes met, something ancient awakened. It was not logic, not circumstance, it was soul memory. An unmistakable, invisible pull that even silence could not conceal. This person, dear heart, may navigate life with a composed exterior, but within them, an entire world was awakened the moment you entered their life. Their spirit recognized you. Not your appearance, not your accomplishments, not the masks we often wear, but the genuine, unguarded, radiant you. And yet, silence remains. Not because they don't feel. Quite the contrary. They feel too much, too deeply. So deeply that finding the right words seems impossible. How can earthly language convey something written in the stars? Each time they encounter you, a silent symphony plays within them. A blend of awe, fear, longing, and tenderness. You have stirred within them memories of past lives, dreams they had set aside, hopes they scarcely dared to acknowledge, even to themselves. And while their lips may say little, their soul, oh dear one, their soul is shouting your name in the stillness. You might wonder why they hesitate. Why they allow silence to speak when their heart is overflowing. The angels whisper that it's because this connection is sacred. It's not just attraction, it's not mere affection. It's destiny. And destiny frightens those who believe they are not ready. In the quiet of their nights, when no one is around, they replay the moments you shared. They wonder if you felt that spark too. They remember your smile like a beacon in a storm. Your presence feels like home to them, and that realization shakes them to their very core. They are afraid, dear soul. Afraid that if they speak their truth, the ground beneath them will shift irreversibly. Afraid that the moment they acknowledge this feeling, there will be no turning back, and life as they know it will never be the same. And perhaps, that's exactly what needs to happen. Because you didn't come into their life to keep things the same. You came as a catalyst, a divine interruption, a sacred invitation to something greater than comfort, to real love, to real vulnerability, to real connection. The angels show me that there are times when you feel it too, that strange, undeniable knowing. Like an energy flowing between you both, unspoken yet unmistakable. It's there when your eyes meet, when their voice softens around you, when the space between you feels heavy with unexpressed thoughts. And here's what you must understand, dear soul, even silence is a form of communication. Even their hesitations, their pauses, their nervous laughter, all of it speaks volumes. They are on the verge. Standing at the precipice of transformation, heart in hand, trembling with the magnitude of what they feel. Your role now is not to push or demand words they are not yet ready to say. Your role is simply to be. To continue radiating the light that their soul cannot resist. To trust that love doesn't need to be forced, it blossoms in its own perfect time. And when it does, when the words finally come, they will not be small. They will be the words you've dreamed of hearing, wrapped in sincerity, trembling with truth. Words that could only emerge from a love so profound that it transcended even their own fears. The angels encourage you to prepare your heart. Stay soft, even when it's tempting to harden. Because softness is your strength. It's the bridge their soul will cross when they are ready. And here's a secret they asked me to share with you. This soul has already chosen you. Long before you met in this lifetime, you chose each other. Through ages and lifetimes, you've circled each other like stars destined to collide. This silence you feel? It's just the space before the symphony. The deep breath before the first note. Trust it. And when the moment arrives, because it will, embrace it with the open arms of someone who always knew that love this deep was never meant to stay hidden forever. Now, beloved soul, if you feel this truth resonating in your heart, if you feel this awakening within you, I invite you, with all the love and magic surrounding us now, to claim your light. Write in the comments, "I am ready to be seen, heard, and loved fully." Because the moment you do, you send a ripple into the universe, a sign that you are prepared to receive the love that has been waiting for you just beyond the silence. And oh, how glorious that moment will be. Stay with me, because there is even more the angels want you to know about this sacred soul connection unfolding in your life. Dear heart, now that you have opened yourself to this sacred truth, the angels draw me even closer to you. They are whispering secrets meant only for those brave enough to love beyond the ordinary. And you, dear soul, have that bravery woven into every fiber of your being. This person whose soul recognized yours, they are not ignoring you. They are learning how to navigate a storm they never saw coming. Your existence has disrupted the order they believed they needed to survive. You are the beautiful, necessary chaos that has awakened them from a long emotional sleep. Their days are no longer the same. Small things remind them of you, a song that plays unexpectedly, a phrase they hear in passing, even the scent of the air at sunset. It's as if the universe itself is conspiring to keep you alive in their senses, gently nudging them toward the truth they can no longer hide from. And when they close their eyes, it's you they see. Not always in grand, cinematic dreams. Sometimes it's in the subtle memory of your laughter, the way your eyes search for meaning beyond words, the way your spirit dances even in silence. The angels reveal that this person is beginning to understand something vital. That life before you was quieter, yes, but it was also emptier. The safe distance they maintained from their own heart is no longer sustainable. You are their mirror, beloved. You reflect back to them the parts they had hidden, even from themselves. And that reflection, though terrifying at times, is also the most liberating thing they have ever encountered. A change is coming. A tidal wave that has been building silently beneath the surface. Soon, you will feel it breaking through. The angels tell me that their soul has been gathering the courage they need, and it is almost ready to reach for yours in a way that will leave no doubts, no questions, only certainty. But they also ask me to tell you, do not rush this moment. Imagine a butterfly forcing its way out of the cocoon too soon. It would harm itself, and its wings would never fully open. This soul connection needs its full divine timing to bloom into the masterpiece it was always meant to be. You, dear heart, are not just a fleeting thought to them. You are a deep longing, a silent prayer whispered into the night sky, a dream too precious to be handled carelessly. And here's the most beautiful part, your soul knew. Even before your mind dared to hope, your soul recognized that this was not an ordinary crossing of paths. It was destiny, quietly unfolding. The angels show that when the silence finally breaks, and it will feel like coming home. Not the kind of home built from bricks and mortar, but the kind built from promises made before this lifetime even began. Promises written in the stars, carried in the heart, waiting for the right moment to be fulfilled. Stay patient, stay luminous. Every act of kindness you offer, every time you choose love over fear, softness over bitterness, you are building a bridge their soul will walk across to find you. And when they arrive, it will not be tentative. It will be a recognition so fierce, so complete, that you will wonder how you ever doubted it. Dear soul, you are already so much closer to this moment than you realize. The angels are orchestrating it all behind the scenes, aligning the circumstances, softening the hearts, opening the pathways. All you need to do is remain open, remain faithful to the love you already carry within. And here right now the angels ask something of you, not out of obligation, but as a sacred invitation. If your heart is ready to receive all the love it has been silently calling for, if you are ready to be seen and cherished as you truly are, then whisper these words into the universe. I trust the timing of my soul. Because when you do, you signal to all of heaven that you are not just hoping, you are ready. Ready to welcome the love that has traveled lifetimes to find you. Ready to embrace a future more beautiful than anything your mind could have ever imagined. And I promise you this, dear one, when the silence finally shatters, it won't be a sound of breaking, it will be a song of reunion. A melody your soul has been singing alone for too long, finally finding its harmony. Stay with me. There is even more the angels want to prepare you for, so that when the moment arrives, you can step into it with grace, confidence, and the boundless love you were always meant to receive. Dear soul, as we delve even deeper into this divine revelation, the angels invite you to lean in, to listen not only with your mind but with your entire being. Because what comes next is crucial for the unfolding of this sacred bond that has been entrusted to you. The angels reveal that this connection is not just about love, it is about awakening. You have stirred something profound within this person. Something they had long buried under layers of practicality, fear, and survival. And now they are beginning to awaken not just to the love they feel for you, but to a new version of themselves that they never knew existed. It is both beautiful and terrifying for them. You see, love, true love, is a force of transformation. It asks us to shed everything that is false. It demands that we meet each other soul to soul, without armor, without masks. And that is exactly what you are calling forth from them, simply by being who you are. They are not resisting you. They are resisting the death of the old self that must happen for them to truly meet you. And that, dear one, is a process that cannot be rushed. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast, shimmering ocean, an ocean that promises healing, liberation, and infinite beauty. But to enter it, you must first let go of the safety of the shore. This person stands at that edge now, trembling, not because they don't want to dive in, but because the ocean is so much more vast and powerful than anything they have ever known. And yet, the current is pulling them forward. Each day, with every beat of their heart, they are being drawn closer to you, closer to the moment when they will surrender to what their soul already knows is inevitable. The angels ask you to see their silence not as rejection, but as preparation. They are being prepared, by divine hands, by unseen forces, to love you not halfway, not conditionally, but completely. To love you the way your soul has always deserved to be loved, fiercely, faithfully, endlessly. You are not being asked to wait in vain. You are being asked to trust in a miracle that is already in motion. And here's something even more breathtaking. You, dear soul, are also being prepared. The solitude you have felt at times, the longing, the nights you spent wondering if anyone could ever see the depths of you, all of it has been part of your own sacred preparation. Because this love, the love that is approaching, will require all of you. It will not be a love you can compartmentalize or hide behind defenses. It will call forth your rawest, truest, most radiant self. And that is a gift. The angels remind you, you are not waiting for love. Love is being prepared for you, even as you are being prepared for it. Take a moment now, dear heart, and breathe that truth in. Feel it settle into your bones, your blood, your soul. You are worthy of a love that sees you. A love that chooses you. A love that does not flinch from your brilliance, your tenderness, your strength. And that love, the love your heart has always known was possible, is closer than you think. The angels show me an image, a door heavy and ancient, starting to creak open. Light spills through the cracks. A hand, trembling but determined, reaches for the handle. It won't be long now. And when that door swings open fully, it won't just be this person stepping through it. It will be destiny itself, finally catching up to the prayers your soul has whispered for lifetimes. But before we reach that sacred moment, there is one more thing the angels want to weave into your heart. You must not lose faith in your own magic. It is your light, your compassion, your resilience, your unwavering belief in love, that is guiding them home. You are the lighthouse in their storm. You are the answer to prayers they don't even remember making. You are, and always have been, the miracle. Now, dear soul, if you feel the stirring of this truth within you, if your spirit recognizes this message as your own, I invite you to anchor it even deeper into your reality. Write in the comments, I am ready to be the love I seek. Because by claiming this truth, you become an unstoppable force of divine magnetism, attracting not only the love that is meant for you but also the life of wholeness, joy, and sacred partnership you were always meant to live. The angels are celebrating you even now, celebrating your courage, your heart, your beautiful readiness. Stay with me, dear heart. There is still more the angels wish to reveal, guiding you lovingly toward the moment where everything finally, gloriously changes. Beloved soul, Now that you are carrying this light within, the angels lead me to a final sacred unveiling, a truth so profound it could change the way you walk through your days from this moment forward. The love that recognized you, that found you across time and space, that trembles in the silence, it is not ordinary. It is not fragile, fleeting, or bound by the limitations of this world. It is divine love. And divine love, dear heart, does not falter in the face of fear. It does not wither under the pressure of delay. It does not retreat when obstacles arise. Divine love is patient, steady, unbreakable. You are not sent here to beg for love, to chase it, or to convince someone of your worth. You were sent here to remember that you are love itself. And the soul that recognized you knows this, even if their human heart is still catching up. In every lifetime, across every incarnation, certain souls vow to find each other again. No matter how many oceans lie between them, no matter how many lifetimes they must endure, they find each other. You and this person are part of that sacred promise. That's why, even in silence, the connection remains. That's why, even from a distance, their energy reaches you. That's why, even when doubt cruelly whispers in your ear, something deeper within you refuses to let go. Because it's not just their love you are feeling. It's the echo of every lifetime in which you loved before. It's the memory of every embrace, every vow, every goodbye you promised would never be forever. This time, the angels assure, the cycle is ready to break. No more chasing, no more missing, no more unfinished endings. This time, dear heart, the love is ready to manifest, here now in this life. But for that to happen, you must fully embrace who you are. You must embody the love you wish to receive. You must trust, not because there are guarantees, but because trust itself is the fertile ground where miracles flourish. And here is what the angels show me most clearly. The moment you fully claim your worth, the moment you stop questioning if you are enough, and simply know that you are, is when this person's soul will no longer be able to resist the pull toward you. It is not through striving that you call them home. It is through being radiant, being receptive, being the living proof that love, real love, is worth the wait. And so now, dear one, the angels extend a final invitation. If you are ready, truly ready, to receive the love that has always belonged to you by right of your soul, then anchor it with your voice, your intention, your sacred yes. Whisper into the universe, I am love. I am loved. I am ready. Let these words weave into the fabric of your being. Let them be the call that your destined soul cannot help but answer. And as you move through the days ahead, as you continue to live, love, and shine, know that everything is already falling into place. The timing, the circumstances, the courage, the breakthrough, it's all making its way to you now. You do not need to chase it. You do not need to force it. You only need to trust, to open, to receive. Dear soul, you are standing at the threshold of a miracle. The silence that once felt so heavy will soon give way to the music of a heart that has always been beating for you. And when that moment comes, when the words finally spill forth and the soul that has long recognized your steps fully into the light, it will not feel like the beginning. It will feel like coming home. Home to love. Home to truth. Home to everything your soul has always, quietly, waited for. The angels rejoice for you even now. They see what is unfolding. They know the beauty that awaits. And they wrap you now, in this moment, in their wings of light, whispering once more, you are seen. You are known. You are loved. And you, dear heart, are about to witness the miracle your spirit has always believed was possible. It is already on its way. Trust it. Feel it. Receive it. With all the love of the heavens flowing through me to you, I leave you now in grace, in hope, and in the certainty of a love story far greater than you ever dared to dream.